In this video, I'll be showing you how to check the back pans, vertical fin, shadow box, vents, SRT, and sunshades are turned on in the project or if they're being used. There's two documents to find out if any of these items are being used. The first document you can look at is the Jumpstart Package 3 proposal drawings. Now, usually this proposal detail drawings will most of the time or always show if any of those items are used. If not, you can always check with your estimator or Jumpstart and see if they can provide you with another detailed drawing to show that item. Or you can always go back to the architectural and check there, but preferably it's Jumpstart Package 3 that you will need to be looking at. Now, to check in this project, I usually like to go straight to the detail drawings and check each detail and see if any of those items are being used. So let's go back to the checklist, and the first item here is back pans. Now go back to the details and check each detail and see if they use any back pans. I've already checked this drawing set, and none of these details show back pans. So we can assume that the back pans are not being used, but if you wanted to double check, you can always go to the sales model. Now I like to use the 3D view in this. So what I like to do is I like to just select the frame and then right click and then go down to select all instances and hover over that and then select an entire project. Now this will select all the frames that are used in the project, or the same frames that are in the entire project. So what you want to do is you want to go here to materials and finishes and check if the back pans 1 or 2, which is 1 or 2 right here, 1 or 2, if they're turned on or off. Now since our details show no back pans, they should be off, which is good right here. And then the next item basically is the same process. Go to the Jumpstart Package 3 drawings and find out if these items are being used, and if they are they turned on in the sales model.